Welcome to Easy Maths Lessons. In this video, I am going to explain about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions that represents same part of a whole. Let us take an example and learn about equivalent fraction. Here, I have a pizza which is divided into two equal parts. I gave this part of the pizza to my friend Elsa. Now, how can I represent the part of the pizza which I gave to Elsa? So, this can be represented as 1 by 2. Now, I have another pizza of the same size and I have divided the pizza into 4 equal parts. And I gave these two parts to my friend Elsa. Now, how can I represent the part of pizza which Elsa have got? So, this can be represented as 2 by 4. If you have a closer look at both the pizzas, we can see that the amount of pizza which Elsa got is equal in both the cases. In both the cases, Elsa have got 1/2 of the pizza. That means 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. So, we can say that 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. Now, let's take the example of a square. I have a square here which is divided into two equal parts and one part of the square is shaded. So, the shaded part of the square can be represented as 1 by 2. Now, I have another square which is of the same size and it is divided into 4 equal parts. And this part of the square is shaded. So, we can represent the shaded part of this square as 2 by 4. Now, I have another square which is of the same size and it is divided into 8 equal parts. Now, this part of the square is shaded. Here I can represent the shaded part of the square as 4 by 8 because there are total 8 parts and 4 parts out of the 8 parts are shaded. So, the shaded part can be represented as 4 by 8. So, if we take a closer look at the shapes, we can see that in all the cases, 1/2 of the square is shaded. In this case, this part of the square is shaded, which is 1/2 of the square. And in this case, 1/2 of the square is shaded. And in this case also, 1/2 of the square is shaded. That means these fractions are equivalent fractions. So, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 8. And these are equivalent fractions. Now, let's learn how to find equivalent fraction of a given fraction. To find equivalent fraction of a given fraction, we have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same number. Let us take an example. Find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. In this case, we can multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. So, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So, 4 by 6 is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Now, multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So, 2 times 4 is 8 and 3 times 4 is 12. So 8 by 12 is another equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Like this, we can find any number of equivalent fraction for a given fraction. Now do these questions by yourself. Find two equivalent fractions for the below fractions. Here are two equivalent fractions for the fractions given. You can find any number of equivalent fractions like this. If you find this video helpful, you can like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.